Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 19th, 2022. 2-star Sudoku. Second row and third row we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 8. Column F, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then column B and column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row and column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, we have 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 can't come in the cells. It will come any one of the cells. Third row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row we have 4. Column J also we have 4. Then 4 can't come in these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Ninth row and fifth row we have 2. 2 can't come in these cells. Third row also we have 2. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8 will confirm later. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 8 will confirm later. 7th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. In this grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7 will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. In column F, only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9 will confirm later. Eighth row and 10th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1 and 4. 1 and 4 can't come in this cell. Then it will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining in this grade. 8 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. Column I we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B we have 2. 9th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I we have 4 and 9. 4 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 1 and 8. 1 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells, will confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, will confirm later. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. In this grid, only one numbers are remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column I, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 5th row and 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 4. 5th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Second row and column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In first grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. Third row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells, we confirm later. Then only one numbers are remaining, 7. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8 and 9. 7th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only one numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, then 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column G we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column G we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.